Hey, what's up, you guys? So this morning while it's warming up, I am gonna help Dan get the saddle tanks put on this tractor and get the sides taken off of one of the other trucks. And we have the tanks inserted on the tractor. Dan uses this tractor to plant with, so he fills those tanks with nitrogen and fertilizer. That's why we have to put the tanks on this tractor. So we had to jump the twin turbo Chevy off, you guys. It's been sitting under the shelter for a while. As you can see, the windshield is filthy. It's been through a mini dust storm sitting under here. But we got to get the sides off. The back is already out, but if you remember, we used this truck to haul corn, and now we got to put the tank on it so it can be used for nitrogen. Alrighty, you guys, we got the sides off. We leave those sides on because it helps to store trash whenever we're using the truck, so it don't blow off the truck. But anyway, this truck is ready for the tank after Dan pressure washes it. It needs a bath indeed. Yes, indeed. So I guess I'm gonna get ready and head on to the big boy sprayer, not the little boy sprayer, which we got ready. And actually this tank right here is the tank that will be going on that truck. And off we go. Alrighty, you guys, and we have arrived at the farm in which I left off when I had pulled all close up to Dan the other day. Dan told me he didn't have time to spray out what I had left in the barrel there because he's been super busy with other things. So I actually have almost half a barrel to spray out first thing before I have to fill up. So yeah, we gonna work on it, you guys. We are gonna work on it. While the tractor's warming up, out here on this farm, Dan planted these soybeans with the 8-row planter. So these rows are more visible because they're not close together like when it was planted with the drill. So I should be able to count my rows when I get to the end without having to use the straight line navigation. And hopefully, as I go across the farm, the weeds aren't too tall to where it's covering up the old soybean stalks, and I'll be able to see them. So that'll make life easier spraying today. Oh, and you guys, especially Colin, look what I got today. Our squeegee from Colin. And I didn't even realize that it came with this suction holder right here that you can stick on the window. That way I can leave it in the tractor or wherever I need to. That is super cool, man. I actually probably would have had to use it this morning if it wouldn't have been so cold where I couldn't spray, because the windows on the tractor when we brought the truck over here this morning were pretty saturated with dew. But anyway, yeah, I got it now, and it will be in the tractor for when I need it. Thanks a lot, Colin. I think I'll put it back here on the back window. Oh, that thing has some nice suction. Oh yeah. Look at that, you guys. Cool, 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 cool. All right, you guys, so anytime you start in a field, you want to count 14 rows from wherever you start at over to this tire, and then after the first pass, that's when you start counting 28 over every time. And I'm doing the end rows. Look at this ditch here. Woo! My. Those sapling trees are gonna be a hot mess by the time the end of the year comes, you guys. Oh man, I guess Rudy didn't feel that he could get them mowed down with the side cutter, but that's all right. We did the best that we could further up that way. Yeah, you guys remember when we dipped in and out with the bush hog? That's why there's sapling trees here and then there, because I skipped over them. But then on this end, there wasn't many sapling trees. But like I was saying, when I was mowing, it's normally wet out there. I think I see some water standing out there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There it is. So you guys, I'm gonna try and get this farm knocked out, and I will check back in. All right, you guys, so I have finished this farm. I guess I need to call Danny and see what his location is, because he is spreading fertilizer, or should be finishing spreading fertilizer on the farm in which I'm gonna head to next. And we probably can help each other get moved, me there and him here. So I'm gonna give him a ring and see what the deal is. And if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and take lunch, because it's about that time. All right, you guys, so I just got off the phone with Danny, and he told me to go ahead and take lunch. And by the time I get through with lunch, he would be ready to get moved over here, and then they would help me get moved to where I need to be. Hi-ho, away we go. All right, you guys, so I'm back from lunch, and I'm heading to the next farm where I'll be spraying. Danny's gonna bring the water truck from where I was spraying at earlier, and then he'll take me back to get the tractor, and he'll bring my truck back over here. And then he'll have this truck with the fertilizer tender to take back to the farm where I was spraying earlier, where he can begin to spread fertilizer there. And he has arrived. Get the start. So there's a change in plans. So you guys, I actually rode with Danny over here in the Freightliner. As you saw, I was walking to it. Instead of him driving my truck back over here. What is that? Oh, wait a, oh, I think those were weasels I just seen in the water. I was like, that can't be a snake that big. I think I just seen some weasels in the water, you guys. What is that? Oh, wait a, oh, I think those were weasels I just seen in the water. I was like, that can't be a snake that big. I just said weasels, didn't I? I meant to say otters. Oh, Lord have mercy. Otters, otters. I saw some otters, 2 otters, you guys. Look at the wild turkeys flying across in front of me. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna, whoa, I'm gonna start here. Oh man, I forgot I planted this with the drill. I don't have rows to count anymore. Man, oh man. It's all right, we'll get it done. We'll get it done. I've been to 3 different fields already since I last left you, and I've only sprayed probably about 12 acres, you guys. Bunch of little fields around here. Well, that's gonna do it for those 2 fields. Got another real tiny field to hit. Feels so small, when I open up the booms, I won't be able to make a full round. It'll probably be 1 pass and maybe 2 sections of the boom. Well, that's gonna do it for here. On to the next one. Guess I'm gonna work on this one. It's a little bigger. It's a little bigger. It neighbors the fields from which we've just come from. All right, you guys, so I ran out in that field, but also it has gotten too windy for me to fill up again and go back to spraying. So I guess I'm done spraying for the day, and I am going to wrap up this video. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching. Don't forget to smash the like button for us. Throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's on your mind. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.